town?
So basically there's a really haunted site here. It's like a house. It's a haunted house. And it's one of the most haunted houses in America. And the like history of the town, I guess, is Native Americans lived here as they did all over the country. Then the Spaniards came and destroyed everything. And that's the whole sob story.
So they also have ghost tours 7 nights a week here, and you basically call, you get a spot, and it's based on like a lot of paranormal activity that they found here in Old Town. And so there's somebody that does the ghost tours. You can see that, San Diego GhostTours.com. You're here. How's the chips?
Is this spice?
How's the chips? Really good?
It is really.
It's like a flavor. It's pretty cool.
It's like barbecue.
Before you take a bite of that, give your feedback on the salsa and the chips.
The salsa and the chip. The salsa and the chip is the best thing I had here in San Diego. The best meal, the best food, the best thing I put in my mouth since I got here.
Guys, that's because he's used to being married to an Indian where we have very flavorful food.
No, it's just where we live.
And
Spanish food is not flavorful.
and Spanish food is very flavorful.
It's not spicy, but flavorful.
So it's because we live in like an area where it's very, very hard to compete with the food in our area. We just like literally New York, New Jersey, like that part of the country has the best food. Yes, and northern New Jersey and New York, all of New York, every single part.
South Jersey.
Here's our drinks.
The food?
Here's our drinks coming right up.
Oh,
There we go.
There you go.
Boom.
Dos Equis.
On draft. And the girls have their mango coladas, right?
Wait, don't.
Thank you. There's my skinny margarita. Ishika, there's your drink. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Ready? Cheers.
All right. And everybody?
Cheers.
3 cheers.
Already.
Woo! So Ishika got a surprise from Anjali. Close your eyes. You have a surprise. This girl never gets surprised. And Ishika's just trying to surprise.
Oh my god, don't cough in your eye. You're good. You're so mean.
I leave you for a second and you guys buy chocolate. Chocolate. What kind of chocolate is it? What kind of?
Pomegranate.
Good? Give by me a bite.
Like that.
How is it, Ishika? Good? Alright.
It smells tart. It's delicious though. Hey guys, so we just finished eating and it started raining while we were eating. So unfortunately we got a little drizzled on. And now we're ready to go take a little tour of the old town. And this section right here is like a little shrine. It says it right here. This tree honors the pioneering Pico family. So what I love about like the Mexican culture is they have like a holiday called like Dia de Muertes or Dia del Muertes, like the Day of the Dead, honoring all the people that died, and putting like a little shrine and pictures and all that stuff. And I love that because even with like Indians and the Indian weddings, you always see like a little table honoring all the people that are no longer around. And I just think it's really, really special to hold your elders in a high esteem and just remember them in a really special way. And that's exactly what this does right here. So you can see I guess this is the Pico family, some pictures of them. I think that's awesome. Side note of like copper, because that entire store is all copper, and when we were in India we like bought all this copper stuff, like so motivated, so excited about like using copper, and we have yet to use it. So there you go, right? Yeah. Oh look, your song is playing.
Yeah, I see.
You're gonna go in the home and garden store?
Not really.
Okay, but you're gonna go in anyway? Hold on, you're gonna be in my picture right here. Ready, 3, 2, 1. What can you finally get?
Mexican candy.
Oh,
Like we see these all over. I saw those on TikTok today. Look, aren't they have these?
oh, Villa Frida Kahlo. Okay, tell me about the Mexican candies.
Oh wait, these are so good. I love these. Who gave them to me? Wait, who gave them to me? What's her name? What? Wait, what's your friend's name?
I have lots of friends.
Oh my god.
Okay, somebody gave it to
I
you.
slept over at her house. Rebecca.
Rebecca.
I forgot her name. I knew sort of the R.
So Rebecca got you these gave you some of these?
Yeah, because she has them at her house, and she gave them. They were so good. Well, just this one.
Okay, so let's see all these candies. Tell me about them.
I don't know. I just see them on TikTok. I don't know any of the taste.
So you're gonna do a candy review now?
What is this? Flesh of fruit. That's very interesting.
Wait, what?
You're not getting any?
Look at all these dead people sitting in a bar.
It's Tuesday, oh no. Taco Tuesdays.
So we're about to go and tour some of the houses now. You saw us like eat, we went to the shops, and now we're gonna tour some of the houses. And apparently the Whaley House, it's spelled W-H-A-L-E-Y, Whaley House, is known to be one of the most haunted houses in all of the, I think in all of San Diego, or I don't know if Angela was saying all of the country, but for now it's all of San Diego. And because this is like ancient grounds or whatever, I don't know. That's why. So, yes. That was like a tobacco salon. You can go buy cigars and things there. So you can see the wind is picking up. So I think the rest of our trip here is going to be a little bit short-lived because we're trying to escape the rain. It's already drizzling. There's a museum, but it's already, so this is the whole little old town. There's a church over there. So definitely if you're in San Diego, pay a visit to the old town. You're going to definitely get some really good Mexican food. Casa de Reyes. And then if you have some time, you can go to like the different shops. All different things here. There's different like fresh take on a lot of different things. The girls bought some Mexican candies.
We're in a soap shop that makes candles.
And why are you so excited about it?
It smells good in here. You can make your own candles. And then if you can't, like, if you don't have enough time because you didn't find this place before, you could buy a kit online. It's only $60. Well, it's a lot, but it gives you 3 candles worth of product, so you can make 3 candles. And they give you everything in the thingy. So it's good.